Looking for a reliable device to keep up with your ideas and daily tasks? In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best tablet for note-taking, offers seamless writing, sketching, and organizing features, making it a perfect companion for students, professionals, and creative thinkers alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Remarkable Paper Pro. The Remarkable Paper Pro stands out as an exceptional digital notebook designed for those who value the natural feel of writing on paper combined with the versatility of a tablet. Featuring an 11.8-inch color display, this ultra-slim device offers a remarkably realistic writing experience thanks to its groundbreaking Marker Plus stylus with a built-in eraser and precise control. Users can effortlessly write, sketch, and read with minimal glare, making it comfortable to use both indoors and outdoors, day or night. The adjustable reading light enhances usability in any lighting condition, which is a thoughtful touch for extended use. Beyond its impressive hardware, the Paper Pro excels in organization, allowing you to sort notes and documents easily with folders and tags. Writing directly on PDFs and converting handwriting to typed text makes it an efficient tool for professionals, students, and creatives alike. The device's lightweight portability means you can carry it anywhere without hassle. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, annotating documents, or simply journaling, the Remarkable Paper Pro combines the best of paper and digital worlds for a seamless, distraction-free experience. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite offers a powerful and versatile tablet experience with its included S Pen stylus, making it an excellent choice for note-taking and creative work. This tablet features a sharp and vibrant display that delivers crystal clear visuals complemented by Dolby Atmos surround sound for an immersive multimedia experience. Its slim, lightweight design and stylish colors make it a portable and attractive device suitable for students, professionals, and casual users alike. The S Pen is highly responsive and perfect for jotting down notes, editing photos, or marking up documents, providing a natural and fluid writing experience. One of the standout features is Samsung DeX support, which allows the tablet to transform into a PC-like desktop workstation, enhancing productivity by enabling multitasking with multiple windows. This makes the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite an all-in-one device for work and play. With its combination of powerful hardware, sleek design, and versatile stylus, it's an ideal tablet for users who want more than just basic note-taking. Number 3. Aote 10.1-inch Android tablet. The Aote 10.1-inch Android tablet delivers impressive performance for its price range, making it a practical choice for everyday use, including note-taking, entertainment, and productivity. Powered by an octa-core 2.0 GHz processor and running Android 14, it offers smooth multitasking and fast app launches without lag. Its 10 GB of RAM and 128 GB internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB via TF card, provide ample space for files, apps, and media. The 1280 by 800 IPS display features eye protection technology that reduces blue light emissions and screen flicker, which helps minimize eye strain during long reading or writing sessions. Equipped with a front 5-megapixel and rear 8-megapixel camera, it supports video calls and online learning efficiently. The tablet also boasts a large battery capacity that can last up to 3 days on standby and offers fast charging via USB-C. With the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, it ensures stable wireless connections for seamless streaming and accessory support. While it may not have some advanced stylus features, the Aote tablet remains a solid, budget-friendly option for note-taking and general tablet needs.
Number 4. Amazon Kindle Scribe 32 GB. Amazon's Kindle Scribe merges the renowned e-reader experience with note-taking capabilities, making it a unique device for book lovers and professionals alike. Its 10.2-inch glare-free 300 ppi front-lit display offers crisp text and paper-like readability, perfect for reading and writing in any lighting condition. The Kindle Scribe's upgraded premium pen requires no charging and provides an intuitive writing experience with a soft eraser and shortcut button, making note-taking effortless. Users can write directly in books or on PDFs, expanding margins or collapsing notes to maintain focus on the content. The built-in notebook feature allows you to keep meeting notes, to-do lists, or journals all in one place, with the added benefit of converting handwriting to typed text for easy sharing via email. Amazon also integrates AI-powered notebook tools for summarizing and refining notes, adding value for productivity-focused users. Unlike traditional tablets, Kindle Scribe eliminates distractions by focusing solely on reading and writing without notifications or social media interruptions. It's a premium digital paper tablet designed for readers and writers seeking simplicity, elegance, and productivity in one device. Number 5. Aote Air 2 Tablet. The Aote Air 2 tablet is a sophisticated digital notebook designed to elevate productivity through advanced AI-driven features and a premium e-ink writing experience. Its 8.2-inch e-ink screen mimics real paper, providing low latency and various pen shapes that make writing and sketching feel natural and comfortable for professionals, students, and note-taking enthusiasts. One of its key strengths is its AI note-taking capabilities, which include real-time voice-to-text transcription, multi-language support across 15 languages, and handwritten notes conversion in 83 languages. This makes it an excellent tool for multilingual users or global teams. The tablet also automatically creates to-dos and important markers from handwritten notes, helping users manage tasks and schedules efficiently. Its dual-color adjustable reading light ensures eye-friendly reading during long work or study sessions. Additionally, the device supports audiobook playback, enhancing its versatility. Designed as a focused digital notebook without distractions, the Aote Air 2 is perfect for meeting notes, studying, and creative work. Its combination of AI integration, eye comfort, and a true paper-like feel makes it a top choice for serious note-takers seeking smart, efficient solutions.